everyone! Today I don't have a recipe for you because I never recorded the recipe. I was just trying something new, and normally I will give you the recipe on the second try, but this turned out so good I just wanted to do a written recipe for you for these sweet and sour pineapple black beans. And I just tasted them and they turned out so incredibly good. I'm going to plate it up and show you in a minute. And I'm just going to serve this with some white basmati rice. And I also did a recipe a long time ago how you can make perfect rice on the stovetop every time. I'll link that in the description box below. And I'm just going to serve it up with some steamed broccoli and carrots. Alright, so let me show you once we plate it up. So here it is, guys, all plated up. It looks absolutely delicious and smells even better. These sweet and sour pineapple black beans.